I'm a fourth generation here on the farm. My great-grandparents moved here in 1916. In this farm, we've raised tobacco. We had a dairy farm when I was a kid. Today, my wife Amy and I are the owners of Hickory Nut Gap Farm.
Hickory Nut Gap Farm is in Fairview, North Carolina, just about 20 minutes outside of Asheville. For the past 20 years, we've been running it as a farming operation that raises grass-fed beef, pasture-raised pork, and pasture-raised chicken and turkeys. We also have a farm store where we sell meat and we do CSA shares, and we also ship online. We're so excited for the future. Right now we're investing a lot in maintenance and things around the farm that we really want to get up to speed for efficiencies and better operational kind of excellence. And then in regards to the meat company, we really do hope to be a premium brand of grass-fed beef and pasture-raised pork in east of the Mississippi. So we're really looking forward to what's to come, to helping farmers have alternative markets for their products and helping consumers have a choice for what they want to purchase in the supermarket.
Conservation practices that we currently practice here are a number of things. The first is the family made a decision to put the farm into a conservation easement, and so the farm can never be developed. It'll always be in agriculture, and so we de-risked ourselves from worrying about potential subdivisions and development. Other practices that we do are rotational grazing. We rotate cattle on a frequent basis, which means that the grasses get to grow up big, thick, and deep, and then we graze them and then move them on. And that type of grazing management builds healthier soils, creates more water penetration into the soils, and overall contributes to ecosystem health.
We're participating in with the Savory Institute is something called EOV, Ecological Outcome Verified. It's a program that is actually take all sorts of data points from various farms, our farm and the farms that are raising meat for our businesses, and we're trying to establish baselines and start to predict carbon sequestration, pasture health, water retention, and a couple of various other data points to see how farmers are improving their sustainability and how that is actually helping their yields. So that's kind of an exciting new thing that we're really looking forward to getting implemented.
The fact that we have a home farm here gives people the opportunity to kind of come to a place where they can touch and feel agriculture, they can see livestock. We want to take agriculture out of a paradigm where you're just a commodity producer into a place where we have a real relationship with the customer and the customer has a real relationship with farmers. And if we can build trust there, that is a win for agriculture.